Hi, good bear knitters. I'm going to show you how to put the legs together. This is the leg that I've just completed, and it's still attached to the ball of yarn here, my working yarn. And I'm going to start on that one. The first leg I made is sitting right here ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and knit across. I have a free needle here, and I'm going to knit across the first 9 stitches. And this is going to become my needle 1. Okay, so there are 9 stitches. I just knit across. Then I'm going to take a free needle and I'm going to knit across the next 9 stitches on the same leg. So I'm basically just knitting around on this leg here. Now when I get to the end here, I'm going to add in my next leg. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to knit onto, get that out of the way so it's not confusing. Okay, so here's the one I just finished. So here's the second leg. The one thing I just want to point out is that you want to have this, we left this end here, this tail of yarn, and that's going to be used because when you do join the 2 legs together, you'll get a gap in the middle. So we're saving this end, and I want this to be in the middle. These 2 sides are completely identical, so just make sure that ends in the middle because we're going to use that later. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to knit across this front needle here. Let me get myself situated. So I'm going to knit across this front needle here. I have that tail here in the middle that I'm going to use later, and I'm going to knit across on the same needle. This is my needle 2. This becomes the front of the bear, this needle 2 here. Okay, so now I've joined the 2 legs together like so. So that's needle 2, and you can see now I have my legs all ready to go. And your legs might already be stuffed now that I just think of that, and that's fine. I can stuff them when I'm done here. And then I'm going to take another free needle and I'm going to knit across these remaining 9 stitches here. And then you'll begin working in the round to create the body from here. I feel like I split the arm there. And if you're wondering, I'm making a polar bear version, so I'm going to see how that turns out. I think it might be kind of cute. So I'm making a creamy white polar bear version. All right, so here I am. That last stitch is kind of loose. And then when I go ahead and work the next round, I have a stitch marker here. I'll be all set, but now you have your 2 legs and they're all joined together, and you're just going to be working in the round on the 3 double pointed needles. So I hope that makes it a little easier for you. Thanks for watching.